The one-cell and three-cell theories are used to explain why more energy is released in the polar region than is received from the sun. In the equatorial region, more energy is received than released.
The one-cell theory explains the observation in terms of one large overturning atmospheric cell, where air rises at the equator, moves poleward, and then sinks at the pole. The energy is transported as sensible and latent heat. Latent heat transport occurs when moist equatorial air moves poleward, cools, condenses, and releases latent heat. This theory works if the Earth did not rotate.
The three-cell theory explains the observation with three cells instead of one cell. They are the Hadley cell, Ferrel cell, and polar cell. In the Hadley cell, air rises at the equator, moves poleward, and sinks 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south. The surface flow is equatorward and under the influence of the Coriolis force, which produces winds from the east known as trade wind. In the Ferrel cell, the warm air sinks and the cold air rises. The surface winds travel north and under the influence of the Coriolis force veers to the east, thus producing the prevailing westerlies. In the polar cell, air is sinking at the poles, rising at 6 degrees north and 6 degrees south, thus the polar easterlies is produced.
The three-cell theory is preferred over the one-cell theory. This is because the three-cell theory can explain the rotation of the Earth that introduces the Coriolis effect. It also shows that the tilt causes seasonality and continentality causes land-sea variations.